It's your boy Habib Educate. In this video, as I told you previously in the last video, I told you that the bonus tip is how to become a Jumia affiliate marketer. So here is the video for you. I don't fail my promises, though I hate to promise. Okay, so now what is a Jumia affiliate, or who is an affiliate marketer? Is someone, that's the basic definition, okay, who stands, or someone who advertises a company's product to his viewers, his followers, his subscribers, or whatever, okay, or friends and family. So whenever they buy those products through his links that he shared to them, then the company gives him a commission. Can you remember? In the previous video I told you that. So now this is the video, and I'm going to teach you how to become a Jumia affiliate marketer. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's dive into it. With our phone, let's hit Google Chrome. This is the surface of it. Go to join now. Okay, these are the forms that we are going to fill. So also pick your phone and start filling. All right, they ask your surname, your last name, your email. It is important. Make sure you provide a correct email, the one which has not been used to create a Jumia affiliate link before. Then you provide your password, then the country. We are in Ghana. It works in most of African countries. Okay, Jumia operates in most of African countries. All these countries work with Jumia. All right, so now the telephone number is very important. So you can see when you scroll down, you hit on affiliate, because you are going to become an affiliate, a Jumia affiliate. So you hit on affiliate. You see website or social media. That's where you link your either Facebook's link or what's a YouTube profile link. Okay, your Facebook's link or your YouTube account's link. Just put it there. As you can see, the email has already been used. Okay, I've already used this one. So for educational purpose, let me change it. Okay, then after that, you hit that email's password. Make sure it is correct. As I told you, where it is written website or website/social media, you put either your Facebook's link or your YouTube account's link. That's my YouTube account's link, because I've already pinned it down in the clipboard. Okay, so still put in my password. Okay, so register. That's it. What is left now is to go back to our Gmail to verify the account. Okay, Jumia has sent a verification confirmation in your Gmail account through your email. So go to your email. Make sure, if you have more than 2-3 email, make sure the one you've used for the registration, you go through that and confirm. As you can see, verify email address. Here is it, verify email address, which has been sent by Jumia. After the verification, then you have to enter that email with the same password and sign in, just for confirmation purpose. Okay, all right, make sure you enter the correct email. Here we go. I'm hitting the password. I have to hide it, bro. For security reason. All right, I'm done with it. Then hit sign in. Okay, all right, now here's a new interface. As you can see, that's where it has brought us to. As you can see, a lot of things popping up. So we are going to hit the 3 lines at the top left corner, then hit on advertising, tap on offers. Okay, 3 lines at the left corner, hit on advertising, tap on offers. Then here we go, hit on Jumia e-commerce, then fill these forms. the street address. You see street 1, street 2, the postal code always is 00233. Then your city, Accra. If you are in Nigeria, it is Abuja. Then country, Ghana. Okay, so now we are at payout address. You will fill either your bank transfer or mobile payment. Where do you want them to pay you through? Is it your bank account or mobile money payment? If you are in Ghana, then you just hit your mobile money number. If it is bank, you hit your bank account's number. After that, then you tap on confirm. But don't forget, the currency is Ghana cedis. Okay, the currency is Ghana cedis. As you can see, you check through and see whether you fill everything. After that, you hit on information. Okay, then fill in those spaces. Your tax ID or national ID. If you are using the voters ID, look at the number on it and put it there. If you are using the Ghana card, look at the number on it and put it there. It is very, very important. And as you can also see, the company name or full name, you can either use your company name or you can leave your full name there. It's up to you to do that, but it will automatically put your full name there. So if you want to change and put a company name, that's up to you. Yeah, I'm putting my national ID's number. I'll leave the link in the description below so that if you want to create and become an affiliate, you can go hit it and also create. Yeah, and that's how you start making money. I got you. Then after that, you have to save changes. Okay, after everything, hit save changes. Whatever you see, either website or whatever. I'm going to copy my YouTube accounts link and paste it there because that's what they ask. I don't have a website, so I will copy my YouTube accounts link and paste it there. It works. So that's where I'll put my YouTube accounts link. After that, then I hit save. Go to advertising, hit offers, hit Jumia e-commerce, select your country, Ghana. Then what's your business about? Is it deal of the day? Do you sell mobile category? Whatever your business is, look through it and hit it. Or you want it to be everything on Jumia. If everything on Jumia, put it there. After that, it will bring you here. This your affiliate link. You hit on copy. If you want to shorten it, you have to take or tap on the shorten URL. You can see it beneath. Then copy it. After copy it, don't forget to pin it down. Okay, I'm going to pin it down in my WhatsApp in the clipboard. When I pin it, it lasts forever, but when I refuse to pin it, it will vanish after 1 hour. It's very, very important. Pin it down. Then now you are in business. Now what is left with, share the link, make family and friends buy through your link, then Jumia will give you a commission. How was the video? Was it interesting? Were you able to also follow and create to become an affiliate marketer? It's so simple and easy. Okay, we are here to make money. System is hard, things are shooting, as I told you earlier. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. I got a lot of videos to upload, so keep on watching, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section down below if the video was interesting. Was it easy to create? Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below and I got you going. It's your boy Habib Educate. See you in the next video. Salam.